So I'm developing the Ranger 2000 further. Today I crashed. I did 2 autonomous landings and everything went fine, but when I flew manually I switched from FBWA to loiter, and something happened and it stalled. So I broke the interior here. Everything is working, but it was only the battery, weight of the battery, that pulled the wooden tray there, which I didn't like in the first time. But that gave me the opportunity to install or start installing my wonderful camera gimbal, which I actually bought already 3-4 years ago and have had on the shelf and succeeded to put together here recently without any instructions. And now I will soon be able to fly it. It's a little bit too near the ground, so I have to do something with the wheels, because a landing would not be very successful, I think, with this. But anyhow, let's see how it goes. My Ranger 2000 rearranged with the camera gimbal and landing gear, which I strengthened to allow it to land properly. Otherwise it's a very standard Ranger with standard motor. It has a Pixhawk, Radiolink Pixhawk for Ardupilot, and a battery is 4200 mAh battery, allowing for some 15 to 20 minutes flying. I haven't had time to check that yet, but I will. To balance the battery, I have moved it quite far forward, aft under the wings, even further, and then I have had to put the lead weight here, which I can compensate or change to a battery for my cameras. I use one camera on the tail. It's this Mobius I have in my hand right now, comes here, and then I have another camera here forward, and I have a mini OSD system. The radio receiver is an L9R, FR Sky L9R. And my radio transmitter looks like this.